What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a returning customer's 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Now, as you can see, it is already a trail warrior, but there's always more room for improvement, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Starting off, we're going to be doing the Dirt King mid-travel kit. Now, to give you guys just a quick idea as to what is included in this mid-travel kit, you're going to have your Billet upper control arms, Performance lower control arms, Performance spindles, Dirt King's 2.5 coilovers with the DCA remote reservoir on the front, along with Dirt King's 2.5 smooth body shocks DCA remote reservoirs in the rear. A couple of the other things that we are also going to be installing are C4's full skid plate. After mentioning some protection with those skid plates, we are going to be doing some brand new 529 gears. And we're going to be ending it off with Borla's Y-pipe along with a bunch of rigid lights. So guys, I think now that we have a full rundown as to what we are doing to this beast, I think it's time to get this thing in the shop and start wrenching. Well guys, this 2022 Tacoma TRD Pro is all wrapped up. Everything Dirt King is installed. The Dirt King billet upper control arms, their performance lower control arms, their performance spindles, and the Dirt King 2.5 coilovers with the DCA remote reservoirs, along with the 2.5 smooth body shocks with the DCA remote reservoirs. Now we also did 529 gears in the front and rear, along with a Y-pipe from Borla. But as always guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out this build on the channel. I know I enjoyed seeing the guys wrench it and build it, and I know the customer can't wait to come pick it up, and he's actually on his way right now. So as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.